Hare Krishna. Today we'll do first Mangalacharan. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyo patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavibhyo namo namaha. Today we are reading on what the Maharaj Shri, what is it called? Prabhupada, Swami Prabhupada. He taught that anyone can preach. No advanced academic or spiritual qualifications are required. Please note that Prabhupada says, no spiritual qualifications are required. Any illiterate person also could be there, and no academic qualifications are any required. Preaching is not just for the acharyas. It is the natural duty of anyone who want to understand how life is so full of miseries, and because of no sense control, how even a greatest of greatest Brahmin, who may be initiated 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times, can fall down. The only requirement for the preaching is that he must have a sincere, um, uh, you know, desire to share the message of Krishna. Prabhupada emphasized now the Guru Maharaj. Radhanath Maharaj always talked about his Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada. So he emphasized that preaching is accessible to everyone through several specific principles. Now, what is the meaning of Nath? Nath means master. And who is the master? The master of it will be like that, depending on the suffix, but actually it is one who has Radha as his master. So Radha is has his master, that is Radha Nath. So no special qualification is needed. Following the instruction of Lord Chaitanya, the Maharaj said anyone can become a spiritual teacher by repeating what Krishna has said. You don't need to be memorizing all the purports, speaking in your language. Just speak in your language. No restriction based on gender or status, that whether a man or a woman. He encouraged that grihasthas and to go on and distribute spiritual books. So it is not limited to giving lecture. According to Maharaj, it can be executed in 4 ways: by your life, money, intelligence, and by your words. So, to be effective, the preacher should be one who follows rules, regulations, and he holds successful preaching through kirtan, speaking clearly, not just blabbering words here and there, and learning from others without giving them credit, and distribute the sanctified food to others. You can look into all these daily to revise it and begin your balancing of the daily spiritual practice with preaching. So preaching is a great seva. That is what it is actually said. So why not preach? That is the message. You want to say something? No questions? Okay. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. And we end